Hello and welcome. So let's just try to make a paint a color application. So it will just allow us to fill some color. So let me just show you how the application would look like. So this is our application and currently I have loaded this image and you can select any other image that you want. So you can simply download some sketch image and then you can put it here and then you can use the color to just fill color in your image. Okay, so right now I would just select a blue color and let me just try to fill this blue color here. Now if you can see the brush thickness is too small, so you can increase brush thickness by just dragging this guy to here. So right now the brush thickness would be bigger, so you can see there is a large brush thickness and I can fill color like this. Now I can just increase the color like this, so brush thickness is too much now, so I can fill the color like this. Let me just try to finish this color and I can see that I have filled this color almost. This is how you can fill the color. Okay, you can select any other color and you can fill like this. Let's just say I would just increase this size to fullest and now I would click this let's say red color and try to fill it here and I can do like this. Okay, so this is how you can make this application to fill paint color. And if you want to clear this image, you can simply click on this guy. So right now the image is clear. That means whatever the color we have filled, that is no more there. Okay, I can select any other color and can fill like this. So this is working fine. So let's just try to make this application from the next video. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.